The clothing you wear matters. It's about more than style. These choices have an impact beyond your closet. Every year, the average American throws out 81 pounds of textiles. Most of these fabrics can't biodegrade. That has a very real impact on the environment. So how do you solve clothing waste? It starts by thinking differently. By wearing our clothes, you're participating in a circular system. One that cares about how clothes are made and where they end up. From the beginning, ours are designed to last. Timeless styles, quality fabrics, responsibly sourced. Instead of discarding them, we ask that you bring them back when you're done. We'll make sure they have a new life, either by reselling the pieces that can be reworn or turning the others into something entirely new. At EILEEN Fisher, we imagine a future where waste is a thing of the past. One where we leave the places we touch better than we found them.